This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect MetaMask to Brave browser. First, it's important to know that Brave has its own built-in crypto wallet, which can sometimes conflict with MetaMask. To ensure a smooth experience, you'll want to disable Brave's default wallet. Simply go into your Brave browser settings, locate the Wallet section, and choose None or Disabled as the default cryptocurrency wallet provider. This simple step prevents any potential conflicts. Once Brave's default wallet is disabled, the next step is to install the MetaMask extension. You can easily do this by opening the Chrome Web Store directly within your Brave browser. Use the search bar to find MetaMask, then click the Add to Brave button. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Simply click Add Extension to complete the installation. It's a quick process, taking only a few moments. After installation, you'll see the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's toolbar. Click it to begin setting up your wallet. You'll have two main options: either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. If you're creating a new one, make sure to securely write down and store your 12-word secret recovery phrase in a very safe, offline location. This phrase is crucial for recovering your funds. With MetaMask set up, you're ready to start using it with Brave. For convenience, I recommend pinning the MetaMask extension to your browser's toolbar. Now, you can easily connect to countless decentralized applications, or dApps, across the web. When you initiate a transaction on a dApp, MetaMask will prompt you to approve it with just one click. You can also manage all your cryptocurrency assets and non-fungible tokens directly within the wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.